Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice word problem whose literally 90% of the people failed. The question is a book and a pen cost $30 and a book costs $15 more than the pen. Then what's the difference between the cost of book and cost of pen? Now here a lot of people thought that the answer for this one is 0. Why like that? Because they thought that the value of book is what, $15, and value of pen is what, $15, and we need to find the difference means you need to subtract, and 15 minus 15 should get you the answer as 0. But that, my dear friends, is absolutely wrong. Okay, now let's understand how. So now what we do over here is we'll take book as B. Okay, and we know that book plus pen equals to what, $30. Okay, and they've also said that book value of book is what, $15 more than the value of pen. So I can say B equals to 15 plus P. We can substitute this value of B over here. So what we get is, instead of B, now I can write that 15 plus P. Then this P is still left over. So plus P equals to 30. So now we have 2P, and we'll take the 15 on that side. So 30 minus 15 should get you 15. And dividing both sides by 2, you get the value of pen. Value of pen is nothing but what? P equals to 15 upon 2. That is nothing but what? $7.5. Okay. Now they are saying what is the difference. So we know that obviously now we need to find the value of what? Book. So book value will be what? 30 minus $7.5. Okay, and we need to find the difference. So what we are going to subtract again 7.5 from this. So this then comes out to be 30 minus 7.5 minus 7.5 can be written as what? Minus 15, right? Because when there are two quantities which are getting subtracted and both of them are actually minuses, you basically add them. Okay, and the sign carried forward is of the bigger number. So here we can say this becomes out to be 30 minus 15. So final answer for this difference is nothing but what? 30 minus 15, that is just 15. So I hope you have understood how to solve these kind of question. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.